Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your GetResponse templates for affiliate campaigns step by step clearly. First, log in to your GetResponse account. Navigate to the Templates section on the left sidebar. You will see a list of all your saved templates. Choose the template that you want to back up. Click on the template to open it. Once the template is open, look for the More button, usually located at the top right. Click on the More button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Download HTML. This action will download the template as an HTML file to your computer. Make sure to save the file in a designated folder for easy access later. Next, if your template contains images, you will need to back those up as well. Return to the templates list and open each template containing images. For each image, right-click on it and select Open Image in New tab. Once the image loads in a new tab, right-click again and choose Save Image As. Repeat this process for all images associated with your selected templates. After saving all images, it's a good idea to organize them within the folder. You can create subfolders for each template if needed. Now, go to your email campaigns that utilize these templates. Make a note of any specific campaign settings or customizations you wish to remember. Document these settings in a separate text file for future reference. Finally, double-check that all files are saved properly and backed up in your preferred cloud storage if necessary. Your GetResponse templates for affiliate campaigns are now securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.